Can you guys manage the rig for me? This is another common question that we often get asked. I don't want anything to do with the rig. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to see it. I don't want to feel it. All I want is coins coming into my account. But on the same time, I really quite enjoy the fact that I do own the asset, I own the equipment, and if I ever want it, it's mine to do with as I please. So do we have a facility where you own the equipment, you receive 100% of the revenue, and we simply look after the physical location of the equipment? Yes, we do. This is called rig hosting, and effectively we have our own facility in the UK here in Wales that runs on 100% renewable energy on an anaerobic digester, which basically means that it takes all waste from farms and different type of waste products, boils them into a gas, in a methane gas, and burns that through an engine and creates lots and lots of electric in a very clean and efficient green renewable energy way. Not only is that great for the environment, it also means that we're able to produce electric much cheaper than pulling from the normal grid. So ultimately our hosting clients, in some instances dependent upon different scales, might be able to save themselves some money, especially if they have lots of equipment with us under those conditions. So absolutely, we have a facility where you can call us up, place an order, it's yours, you take 100% of the revenue, we don't take any cuts or any coins, we simply charge you a monthly hosting fee, which covers the insurance, the maintenance, the electric, all of the essentials that you need in one simple monthly fee per unit. We then keep that nice and safe, run it for you, and as far as you're concerned, you have your login to your account. You can of course log in and control the rig remotely if you so wish, but fundamentally we can send those coins to whichever wallet you desire, and ultimately you have full access to that at any time that you wish. So that's a nice facility that we have for people who want a totally hands-free experience. Please give us a call or get in touch, and we're happy to help have a discussion about how that might work for you.